Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. We're at Schraub's again, our favorite butcher shop. Chad, so last week I did this stuffed gator. Well, I smoked gator. I served your boudin on the side and your andouille on the side. Everybody absolutely loved it. In fact, I had Cajun say it was the best they've ever had.
Oh, really? That's awesome.
And I used the boudin in the stuffing for the gator.
Oh, that's great.
So what is your secret? Why is that stuff so good?
All fresh ingredients. So, all the way down to the celery, the onions, everything that we put into it. The seasonings, I talked to a lot of local people here that are actually from Louisiana. And got a lot of pointers from them as well, like customers that come in here. So,
well, you talk to the right people, that's for sure.
And, just a labor of love, making sure that, and that's what we want, somebody that's familiar with boudin, that knows what it should be like, and, that we're providing something that, reminds them of home if they are from Louisiana.
Awesome. All right. Well, we're going to pick up some more and some of their incredible andouille sausage and make a Cajun appetizer to serve with our annual turkey bone gumbo meal. We'll see you there. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today is one of our favorite days of the year. Today is the day we take our turkey leftovers and turn it into turkey bone gumbo. But I've already done that video. I need an appetizer. So when we did our smoked gator a few weeks ago, we made an incredible stuffing, and in that stuffing was Cinema of Schraub's boudin. It was incredible. We also grilled up some and served those as appetizers. Fantastic flavor. So recently I saw an article about pig shots, and it struck me. Cajun pig shots. What could be better? So let's do it. So into my bowl is going to go the innards of one boudin link, which equates to about ½ a pound. Squeeze that right through the casing into the bowl. With that is going to go 1 block of cream cheese at room temperature. Then about a tablespoon of your favorite Cajun seasoning. We love Cattleman's Grill Cajun Fusion. And then about 4 to 6 ounces of some finely diced pepper jack cheese. Gonna get that all mixed up. Then you're gonna want to get yourself some thick cut bacon. We happen to have some Hatch Green Chili thick cut bacon here. So I'm going to take an andouille sausage. Normal pork shots use like a smoked sausage or a kielbasa or something like that, but these are Cajun pig shots, so I got an andouille. I'm gonna get just enough bacon to fully wrap that around. We'll cut our bacon, and then we'll get that secured with a toothpick. All right, so now that top half of the bacon, you got a nice little cup there, that's where your stuffing's gonna go.
A clever and diabolical scheme.
And there you go. Stuffing in the bacon on top of the sausage.
Bravo!
The only way you can really go wrong with this is to not use thick cut bacon, because then that bacon's not gonna hold its shape real well to keep that stuffing in. Okay, so I'm gonna get that repeated. In the meantime, my Yoder YS 640S pellet grill is preheating to 250 degrees. So we'll see you when it's time to get these on the smoker. Alrighty, we're out here at the smoker. It's up to temperature. Here's the strategy. It's set to 250 right now. We're gonna go a ½ hour, then we're gonna bump the temperature up to 350 to help crispen up that bacon. Now at the last second, some wisdom hit me, and I put all these pig shots onto a rack, so I don't have to pull 33 pig shots off. I can just pull one rack off when it's time. Alrighty, so an hour later, we'll see you inside and get some judgment on these. See you then. Alrighty, the pig shots are off the smoker. They held up very well. Speaking of holding up well, we're gonna get judged by the director.
Is that a hint at my age, or?
I have a bad feeling about this.
No, putting up with me.
Okay.
Nice recovery. Well executed.
I beg to differ on that one. Those are amazing.
Amazing, huh? Is that a must-have for your big game parties?
Definitely.
All right. What about the Daytona 500?
Definitely.
What about a
Next
bunch
Sunday.
of three-legged llamas racing?
Anything. These are good.
Okay. Hey, there you go. The director said so. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. If you can't get enough of us, check out our Patreon page. Hit that subscribe button and become a sunscriber. Hit the like button and leave us a comment. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.